Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add rows in your Google Sheet. So all you need to do is go to any row where you want to add rows, take a right click and click on insert one row above if you want to add one row above. If you want to add one row below, you can add one row below. So let's say there is a 5 number here, and if I want to add one row above, so you can add, let's say if there is a data. So here I have 10 numbers. So if I want to add one row, like at fourth row, all you need to do is take a right click and then click on insert one row above. So there will be an empty row created here, and you want to add, then you can add here the other number which you want to add. And then similarly, if you want to add one row below, all you need to do is insert one row below. So there will be one row below will be created. So, and if you want to add more than one rows, all you need to do is select multiple rows. Let's say you want to add 5 6 rows, so you make sure select 4 to 5 rows, and then select 4 to 5 rows, then take a right click, then the number of rows you select, so it will be highlighted when you take a right click. So I have selected 7 rows, so now I can add 7 rows above or else 7 rows below. So in this way you can add multiple rows or else single row, whatever you want. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much.